Hello Kickstarter, we're Mother, and with MicroFarm we are making food fresher, healthier and cheaper. Say hello to the microgreen revolution.
Microgreens are one of the healthiest foods we can eat. They are young seedlings of edible vegetables that are harvested within 7 to 10 days. They contain 40 times the amount of vital nutrients when compared to mature greens. Plus, they contain antioxidants, which help to protect against skin, eye and heart diseases. They have a surprisingly rich taste for being that small.
Heel vers en smaakvol.
Ja, dat is wel lekker, ja.
We like to call them super veggies. Top chefs around the world enhance their dishes with these pure and delicious flavors. The best thing is that you can easily grow microgreens yourself, all year long. This is what makes them the most local and freshest food available for your kitchen. You can harvest them right before you eat them. MicroFarm is an all-in-one solution for anyone to start growing microgreens. Growing with MicroFarm is easy. First, you distribute the seeds over a layer of wet paper towel placed into the MicroFarm tray. Make sure to keep the paper towel damp throughout the week and let MicroFarm supply the right amount of light. After 7 to 10 days, your microgreens are ready to harvest and enjoy.
We wanted to create a professional and durable indoor farming system. With our full spectrum light recipe that is already used by our professional indoor farming customers, you can develop taste and color just like you would in real sunlight. The tray provides your microgreens with a constant source of water, and because everybody has paper towel, we chose to use it as a distributor for the water.
MicroFarm is truly modular and takes care of your greens with 3 different mounting systems. There is a MicroFarm setup where you attach 2 legs to the grow light and slide in the watering tray. You can also choose to attach the grow light underneath your kitchen closet or shelving unit. Or mount the standing disc onto the light module and you can easily grow aromatic herbs. The tray provides your herbs with a week's supply of water. MicroFarm comes with 1 year of seed supply. The package you'll receive will contain a large variety of organic and non-GMO microgreen seeds. They each have their own unique taste, colors and characteristics. You decide which microgreens you grow and when. The module is designed to last a lifetime. It's made out of anodized aluminum. We did not apply any glue. If the LEDs are worn out after 8 to 10 years, you can easily replace them by sliding in a new LED bar into the profile. In the summer of 2018, we produced 1,000 blooms. We are shipping to indoor farms, plant nurseries, kitchen stores, and many households across Europe, all the way up to Australia. Now we need your support to make this microgreen revolution global by shipping MicroFarms worldwide at affordable prices. Let's make healthy food accessible to everyone. Back us on Kickstarter.